Today I have a quick tip for you. Mostly quick anyway. If you have a hard time getting a decent impression, even when you're using your stamp positioning device, or if you have arthritis or weakness in your hands, this tip is definitely for you. I prepared my paper, which in this case is Canson XL watercolor paper with a smooth side facing up, using an anti-static bag. I'm going to use this light pink ink to stamp my image. Instead of just pressing down and using a lot of force and pressure on my hands, I'm going to use a heavy, solid rubber brayer instead. I'm going to firmly push this onto my stamped image without using so much force that I could potentially break the hinges. I know it's difficult to see, but my image did stamp very nicely using the brayer technique. Now I am going to stamp it again using some embossing ink, because this image is going to be used for some basically no line coloring technique. The image is absolutely perfect after the second stamping, this time with the Versamark ink. I'm going to go ahead and heat set this so that you can see what it looks like before watercoloring. So here it is, all embossed. And then if you'd like, you can watercolor it. This is an example of one that I did without using the brayer technique. And as you can see, a lot of detail was lost, especially like in this area of the stamp, because of uneven pressure from trying to use just my hands. Here is that same area of the stamp, and it embossed perfectly. It's a great cheat, and it's well worth your time. I hope that you will indeed give this a try. If you try it, please give me proper credit. If you haven't and you'd like to be, subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, and share my videos on your social media. Stamp happy, be a blessing. Bye for now.